What's up guys, and welcome to my channel, Flame 4. In this build of Terminator T-800, we're going to be doing the right arm upper. So we're just going to be doing the upper arm of the Terminator here. So what you need to do is just make sure you get all your pieces out. There are various pieces there that you will need. Once you have them all out and you're happy that they match the magazine, you would need to line up some of the components. So as you can see here, you would need to line them up as they are. And you just need to put in one of the screws. The screws that you need to put in is the 3x8mm, which is 4x10. Did struggle again to find a screwdriver that fits in these holes. I really do need to go out and get one because it's getting really annoying. The next thing we need to do is take that piece of rod there. So that rod is called 4-6, and we need to put 4-7, which is the little rubber grommet, and we need to attach that with 4-9, which is a 2x4mm screw. Don't do these up too tight. It does tell you in the magazine, do not over tighten them. And all it does is it acts as a suction for the piston so that it can go in and out. You won't need to lube it up at this stage. I mean, if you wanted to, you could put some Vaseline or something in there, but it doesn't tell you to. So I would probably just do as it's saying at the moment. Once you've done that, you need to move on to doing the other part of it. So that's the sort of fork type bit. And that again is just held in together by the screw. So that is 4-5 and 4-7, and that is held together by the screws 4-9, which is a 2x4mm. Once you're happy with it and it's all together, you need to slot it into the arm piston that we did in the previous issue, which was issue 3. So there you are. And then once you're happy with it, we will need to start assembling it and putting it together. I do fast forward through this, guys. You will need to put the rubber blocks, which is 4-8 and on to there, and then put it all together and piece it. And you can use masking tape to hold the screws together. There are two different types of screws. There's a 4-12, which is a 3x20mm, which holds the 3-3 together. And there is also a different screw, so there's a tall screw and a shorter screw to do this build. But what I'm going to do is, because obviously I fast forwarded through and didn't show you too much in great detail, obviously what it looks like together, I'm going to be doing a recap video. So in the next video, we're just going to talk about how we put it all together, what the quality of build is, what people are complaining about at the moment, you know, the weathering and stuff like that. And also, you know, some people are saying that these pistons move in there and they're not very good and they rattle about. But you know what? The arm will need to move. There will need to be a lot of flexibility in the arm, and it's very sturdy. There's only that top piece which is made of plastic, and the rest of it's made of metal. So you know, it's really good. But what we're going to do is we're just going to get through this issue, because this issue wasn't too bad to put together, and it is actually starting to look like a Terminator arm, which is really exciting. There's a little bit in the book about the Turing test, can machines think. There's a loads of information in there, and we will be doing in the next issue the lower jaw. Can't wait to see you again, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you real soon. Take care now. Bye bye.